Today, we are going to show you how to prepare carrot juice at home. First, let's start by cleaning our carrots. Take a few number of carrots. This depends on the sizes of the carrots and the number of people that want to drink. Wash them thoroughly in a bowl of water or under running water. You can use a vegetable brush to clean the organically grown carrots, then cut off the top part where it was attached to the plant. Preparation methods. There are two main methods that can be used for getting juice out of this great vegetable. You can extract the juice using a juicer. You can also extract the juice using a blender. Juicer method. If you are making use of a juicer, just put your carrots one after the other in the juicer. Then the juicer will press the carrots and separate the fiber of the carrots from its juice. Then put a cup at the mouth of your juicer to collect the juice. Now your drink is ready. That was fast and simple, right? Enjoy your drink. Also, if using a blender, cut your carrots into moderate chunks that will not give your blender blades a hard time blending them. Add the carrots gradually, or at once depending on the size and rotor power of your blender. Blend until no more chunks remain. Add water if needed to ease the work of the blender. After these carrots have been blended into a puree form, strain the juice by pouring it in a mesh strainer placed over a bowl. Take a spoon that will fit into the mesh and press the blended carrots so that all the juice in the carrots can go through the mesh and the fiber will be left behind. Alternatively, you can get a clean kitchen towel and place over the mesh strainer because these helps to sieve out the fiber better. Hold the corners of the towel and squeeze out all the juice as much as you can. Pour the juice into a drinking glass and enjoy. It's advisable to take this drink as fast as you can, in order to maximize the advantages of the live enzymes. You can also add a few ice cubes to chill it up. Keep any leftover in airtight containers and store in the refrigerator. Consume the leftovers as fast as you can because studies have shown that the value of this drink can depreciate between 12 to 24 hours, so it is better taken fresh. Note: you can also add freshly squeezed orange juice to spice it up.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like our videos, and kindly subscribe to our channel. Loaded Nature loves you.